please do like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with a friend. I very much appreciate it. And you can also find me on Twitter. I'm at Boi Crypto. All right, let's move into the third, final, and BBC's favorite formula for DCAing into the crypto market. That's going to be a technical analysis strategy. Now, this doesn't require tons of TA ability or anything like that. It's actually only going to require, I think, really one tool is all that's necessary for you. Something like a trading view, which is widely available online. I'll show some of it here for you as well so you can get a good idea of what it looks like. And the strategy here, you want to dollar cost average into the asset at one of the longer period moving averages. Now, you want to make sure in your mind, this is because again, this is all up to you, whether the asset that you are getting into is in a long-term uptrend and is something that you have long-term conviction in. If that is Bitcoin, it is great to look at the 200-day moving average, the simple moving average, okay? Usually abbreviated as just MA or SMA. But the 200-day is a great thing to look at. That is what, if the price of Bitcoin is at or lower than that price, you usually are looking at a good opportunity to DCA into it. Again, as long as you believe in the project or Bitcoin long term. Ethereum, same thing. It's been around long as well. You can look at the 200-day MA, find out what it is, and if we're trading at or below it, you're probably getting a really good deal long term. Now, a caveat here when it comes to the altcoins. A lot of the current better altcoins that you may be interested in long term do not have long enough price history like Bitcoin and Ethereum to have a 200-day moving average yet. This is why a lot of people call crypto speculating. You know, any kind of investing, I believe, really is speculating, but this is why people are more cautious with altcoins like that and why they are sometimes called coins. However, you can still look at a pretty good long-term trend of a positive asset. So what I do is look at the 100-week moving average to see where you're at there. You can do this with a lot of the favorite alts that you may be interested in the top, 50 to 100 as far as coin market cap goes, or Nomics or CoinGecko or whatever ranking site you want to use. You want to see where we're trading in relation to that long-term trend because again, if we are at it or below it, if you believe in this thing long-term, it's good to start investing at that point. Just like the timing the market area, you can have parameters specifically set up, the percentage that you want to put in based on where we are in relation to that long-term trend, whatever that is for you. Again, this is my personal favorite strategy because we're relying on technical analysis and you're getting a good long-term deal if it's something you believe in long-term.